Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a decent weekend. Market's about to open in less than a minute here, and we're just gonna kind of see what happens for today. We are kind of like in kind of new highs. Market kind of gapped up. You can tell from this big box right here. Big gap up. Oh, and market's just kind of pushing up right now. No data that's really being released, to be honest. So we're just gonna have to kind of wait and see what happens. Yeah, I'd say nothing too interesting. Yeah, it's a little suspect to try to go long, to be honest, just because we're in a relatively new area where price just keeps on going up. Price hasn't reached this area before, so it's a little sus. Yeah, also market might not be so volatile today, to be honest. Just because in the pre-market it hasn't moved as much as it has been the past few days. So we're just gonna have to see what happens. I think today might be like more of a one and done trade day, to be honest. Gonna change this back to 42. We had it at 44. Takes profit for the micros for those fees. But now I decided I'm gonna just do a mini on the MyFunded futures. And once I kind of see the MyFunded futures being 5 points of profit, then I'll just take my profit. But for the take profit, guys, I will definitely keep on looking for those at least 10 points. Dang, and we're fairly close to this retracement area on this green box. This retracement area on the 144, or what, like 3 points away. Because if this is an up close candle followed by another up close candle, then that ideally would be our model. But we didn't hit that retracement area yet, so I cannot enter. Excuse me. Alright, now we're in the retracement zone. But what could happen here is we have these pre-market highs and we just kind of swept those pre-market highs, and you can see that on the 15-minute candle we started to reject. We swept these high, now we're kind of rejecting that area, so I don't know if we're gonna stay in this area or what's gonna happen. Definitely got to see if this low volume node right here that I draw is respected or not, which we are kind of going towards. Seems like we might just kind of keep going down. Just look at that 15-minute candle. It's looking pretty bearish. So what I would maybe like to see happen is us go through this level, which we're doing right now, and then maybe kind of come back up here, retest this low volume node area, continue to push downwards to this demand zone I have drawn, which is another 40 points down from where we are right now. We also did just come into that retracement area on the 233 time frame. So I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try putting one of the indicators on here instead of having it on my other one, on my other chart. Minimum volume, I think it's 30. Might take a little bit to load. Let's see. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah, we're gonna try having it there, see what happens. So you can see that there's been some selling pressure here, but then there's also buying pressure right there. We are bouncing up. But if we look at this 89R, we kind of did close below this swing low right here. So might lean a little more bearish, to be honest. Let's put my my good indicator on. Delta percent color indicator. Just gotta put on all my charts that I like to put it on. I like to just put it on 3 charts mainly. Seems like we're bouncing pretty well from this low volume node that I have drawn out right here. Okay, now we're in a retracement area on the 144 as well as the 233. So let's see what kind of happens here. Okay, let's see if we have some sellers here, as you can see. Let's see if we get our model play here. So as long as we don't break this high up here, and we are able to move to the downside, But if we do end up breaking this high, then we have the model play on the 55 bar to the upside. Okay, I'm gonna get ready and draw this box right here. Okay, we weren't able to close, so now we remove the box. Just being patient. This is the point of control area for the day today at this level. Alright, let's see. A lot of buyers right there, you can see. Remember, if we do push above this high, above 847, then we might have potential play to the long side, actually, or to the upside. Based on that 55. Do we break it yet? Just about, almost. This high, let me see. This high is at 847, this high is at 46, so it's still fine to go to the downside. And we are able to close on outside of it, as you can see. Yeah, so I could definitely go short. It's also on the 55. Let's see if we can get a retracement back in here. This one's a 55. I definitely could have entered here, but because we did close outside of it, and then we do bounce down, but I would have preferred it to kind of come back a little bit higher in here. Also, if this we have another potential model play right here onto the upside. I'm gonna definitely play off the 55. So I'm gonna wait for the 55 time frame to close to the downside, if it is able to. But right now it's kind of in between two areas, so I'm not really too sure what's gonna happen. I'm gonna pay attention to the 55 because it's the larger time frame. Get that 34 candle to the downside, so now we can close this because it's not part of our model. Okay, so we're pushing up still. And we do get our model on the 34 here. Which is a little confusing. Just because we're also in that 55 area as well. So if we push above this high, then then we might just keep pushing up to the longs, to the upside. And this is the point of control area. At 55, we gotta wait for it to close. And once that candle's able to close, our stop's just gonna be above this high. It's looking like it's about to close the 55 to the downside. Also, I know it's a little hard to see, but this 34R, alright, I'm in.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Dang, I entered way later than I would have liked. Way later. If I get stopped out here, I will look for the long entries. But you see, we did have that bounce here because on the 34, we have the model play. So if we do close above here, then I will have to switch to longs. Which is, it's looking like I will get stopped out. But we'll see, once I actually get stopped out. This is definitely an interesting area for sure. Yeah, so I decided to side with the higher time frame here with the 55R, which is why I went in short, because we did have that down close candle, but it looks like I'm gonna get stopped out right about here. And if I do,
Stop filled.
Yeah, so I'm gonna wait again. I might switch to long entries. I'm gonna move that. So if we do get an up close if we do start pushing up without going past this low here, I will take another entry to the longs. Buy stop limit like right about there.
Order submitted.
Wow, it's unfortunate. Like, it's starting to go down, and we just got stopped out right at the high. I really hope it doesn't go down. Wow, yeah, we're going back down actually.
Order canceled.
That's unfortunate we got stopped out. Literally, we just got stopped out right at the high. That's so unfortunate. Seems like we're in an area where price doesn't really know what to do. So I don't really know if I want to enter anymore for the day. Wow, that's so annoying. Literally got stopped out right at the top. It's alright. See if we can get our model play here. And now we're bouncing back up. Just kind of crazy. See where we are. Yeah, I really don't know what price wants to do. Some sell orders coming in right there. I may try to take an entry to the downside. Or maybe not. pushing to the upside. Definitely not interested in any shorts right now. We're just kind of consolidate in this area, these 50 points. It's kind of what it's looking like. Yeah, there's not much action today, like at all. Already half an hour of market open and we're just ranging within 50 points. That's nothing for the NQ. Yeah, it seems like we might keep pushing up. Yeah, might just have to take that L for the day. Market just moving very slow. Well, that 233 candle did close to the upside with some decent decent bullish numbers. I am tempted to take an entry long. Not quite yet though, but I am tempted. I could take a long entry here, actually.
Order
Yeah,
submitted.
I'm taking that long entry there. Stop just below this low. Actually,
Order filled.
oh, nice. Oh, what the heck?
Order filled.
Why was, that's so annoying. The My Funded Future was still, didn't get filled. It's because it was at the, it was on the NQ. Or the MNQ, excuse me. But you know what, I'm just gonna bring it back to normal. Bring it back to the NQ. So I would actually be interested if we kind of come back into this region. Mainly on the 89. So I drew it in that cyan color. I'll be right back. Seems like markets just keep pushing up. Yeah, 144 also just closed in this area. I would definitely like to see more of a retracement here. We'll get that retracement here, then I will take an entry long. Excuse me. Yeah, so 144 candle closed right here. Definitely would like to see retracement back into this area around the 50 level. We're just pushing P. I'm tempted to go long, to be honest, and have my stop just below this 55 level. But I'm not too sure, just because we've been making new lows here and we haven't been able to break these highs. So it's definitely best to just wait for right now. I'm very tempted to go long. It looks like it's holding up here. Because now we weren't able to break this low. We kind of held above it. But the thing is, we're at like the highs right now of the day, so it is a little risky, I would say. Oh, but we're starting to push a little bit. We're kind of holding this level where these buyers kind of stepped in. But also, another reason why I'm a little tempted to go long is just because the 144 candle was able to close here. Yeah.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna go long. Stop below this candle low, I think. I'm gonna have a very tight stop loss. Oh, the big seller there. I'm not liking this.
Order filled.
Yeah, I wasn't liking that. As soon as I saw that big seller, nope. Yeah, I'm gonna stop trading on my Unfiltered futures account just because that account already has like 2 losses and it wasn't able to take a dub on the other one. Yeah, and you see, I knew it was risky to definitely go long in this area. Definitely should have entered. Okay, now we're in that retracement area. Yeah, I would also like to see the 89 close. So this candle low on the 89, the candle low is at 25,848.75. So another 20 points above that 68. So like at 71.75 is where the candle should close. So I might place a buy stop order here. But also it seems like we might have our model play here. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna put that buy stop limit order there. Just because there's a lot of buying and selling in this area. As long as we don't break this low, we should still be good for potential longs. I'm also fairly close to having my Infinite Futures account being closed out, just because of that one bad day on the Thursday of last week. So I might take a chance here to go long with that account as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna put a buy stop order there for now.
Order submitted.
Ideally, this is an up close candle, this forming candle right here. Oh, we got that big sell order right there. So now we remove this. If we break these lows, then obviously my buy stop limit order, or my sell, yeah, you know what I mean. This order right here is gonna be closed or moved. Alright, let's see if we get that continuous up close candles here. Yeah, the market's really not doing much today. broke the low here.
Order
I'm
canceled.
gonna cancel that order. Those are 42.75. So then it's 62. So then it's 65.75. 65.75 right here for the buy stop limit. Around this area, you can see the buyers are just kind of stepping in there.
Order submitted.
65.75, I'm putting that limit there. Oh. I'm just gonna keep moving the limit down, the limit order down until we kind of get that up close candle on the 89. Because we're in that area that I am interested in for a potential long. 37, so 57, so then it's 67.5. See if these buyers can hold. We are kind of coming back into that point of control area. Low 37. Yeah, market's being very slow today. Not wanting to move. Don't know if it's because of Monday or, you know. Yeah, just keep going lower. If we end up breaking down past this blue level, or this blue zone right here, without having like an 89 close to the upside, then this buy limit order right here will definitely be over. I'll definitely be closing that for sure. This low is at what? 23, so 43, so then at 46 we can move it to. We're also in that retracement area on the 233. We're about to get our limit filled order here. Where the 89 candle will close right around here. Now once we're in, the stop just below the low. But we are touching this area. Very first touch on these buy orders that were here. So like we also do kind of have our model play, but on this is on the 233. So like this is just the zone, so I would like to see it respect the zone. Yeah, Yeah, I would like to see us not break this candle low. But the way price is moving, I don't know. Okay, nice. We got that up close right here, so definitely could enter prematurely for sure. But the 34 range doesn't align with the 233. The 233 aligns with the 55. So for me, this is not an entry, but it's just something that I like to see that would give me a little bit more confidence for the upside. Seems like we might keep pushing past to downside though, especially if this is a down close. If this forming candle closes below here, which it seems like it might, equal lows, it looks like 23, and then this low is at 23 as well. Yeah, so far equal lows. Okay, so I'm thinking we're gonna keep going to the downside, to be honest. So I may take a entry to the short side.
Order canceled.
If we get a down close candle here, I'm gonna put my buy stop order back up here,
Order submitted.
46. Because you can see this zone's not being respected. And we're also kind of having the model play again right here. Yeah, so zone was not respected once we retraced back into it. So the short option is no longer valid for me for the very quick short. And we have the model again right here. But I'm gonna remove that.
Order submitted.
All right, we're filled. Stop just below these lows. 89 candle did just close. So let's see if we can get that quick move to the upside. All right, we need to see a push here to the upside. We need this forming candle to be an up close. That's what I would like to see, to be honest. Almost an up close candle. Okay, nice. Let's get more of a push. Remember, once we're in that 5 points profit, we're gonna... Oh, that's unfortunate. We were right at break even. Seems like we're gonna get stopped out. I think my mind-funded futures account might get closed, which is unfortunate. Okay, we need to see a good push here. I don't want to see any more lows breaking. I do like how this zone has been respected so far by this up close candle with some negative delta. I do like that. Okay, we should keep pushing up. My break even is gonna be right around here, just a little bit higher. All right, break even.
Target filled.
Nice, good. That 144 candle also did just close. Okay, good. I did get a little nervous right there for a second. I'm not gonna lie. So it also seems like if we can get a little retracement back into this area here, we can look for another long entry on the 55. I change the color. I don't know, I might just take the L for today. Just because of the way the market's moving. Should have gone for those 20 points. That's all right. Yeah, price is just skyrocketing now. I wish I held on for those 20 points instead of the 10. But, since we're down for the day, so I didn't want to, hold onto more than I needed to since we are down for the day. Because the only account that I'm worried about is the My Funded Futures account, because we are kind of close to hitting that buffer zone or that buffer level, so to where we might get the account kind of deleted or removed. But we only need, I think, 4 more days of $100 for that account to get the live. Yeah, we need 4 more days. I still can't believe we went down almost $1,500 that day just on this account. That's so unfortunate. Can't believe that happened. The risk management just wasn't there that day. I'm just kind of waiting to see if I see another opportunity. Honestly, nothing too interesting as of yet. Nice, we definitely pushed up. 89 candle, did just close. Kind of tempted to enter another position long, to be honest.
Order submitted.
Yeah. Stop. Maybe pretty short stop, honestly. I guess not. Stop below all this. Yeah, I would like to see an up close candle here for sure. Definitely went long just because I like the way the 89 candle looked. Okay, let's see here. Let's get a nice little push up. I'm looking at the 21R to see if we can get like a nice continuation to the upside. So far it's looking okay, but we need a certain candle to close, which hasn't closed yet. Looks like it's kind of rejecting a little bit, but it's nice how this 34R candle was able to close, and you can see that we do get some buy orders here, which is a little nerve-wracking. Okay, we're almost at that 5 points. Let's keep pushing up for a little bit. Once I see that 5 points, break even. I'm looking for that nice quick push up to the upside. Okay, break even. Let's see if we can get that quick 10-point play. There's a lot of buying happening here. Let's see if it's in our favor. Big buy order right there. Could be sells. You never know. I'm just gonna hold and see if price can just hit my quick 10-point profit target. I'm tempted to close out on my funded futures though. It seems like price is slowly going up. Might move it up to there. Wasn't able to do it quick enough.
Order filled.
Order filled. Yeah, I was thinking about closing it at, because as soon as I saw this buy order, I was a little sus, to be honest. Oh no, I don't, wow, that's so unfortunate. Look, I just got stopped out down here at the bottom before price kind of went back up a little bit. I mean, hopefully it doesn't hit 89.25 up here, because that's where like my target profit was. But also, you can see all this selling right here. It's a lot. So I don't know how comfortable I would feel going long actually there. $233 candle did close right here. Oops. Literally closed right here, the 233 candle. I would be tempted to go long again, but there's a whole bunch of selling and buying that's just occurring here. So it's a little suspect. I'm tempted to go long actually. I'm paying close attention to the 21 hour. If I see like a slight change to the upside, then I will go long. Yeah, I think I might try to take a long here.
Order submitted.
Stop will be just below here. 10-point stop. Let's see if we can keep a push going up. Definitely should have waited. Oops. Let's see if we can get a little bit more of a push. Okay, I like that. See more of a push. I don't know, it's gonna have to get past here. So I might just actually try to close at break even. Let's just have another quick push up. We're just seeing a tiny quick push up. We need to be able to pass all this buying right here. I'm looking for that quick push up. No, I don't like it. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out here. Let's see. It's kind of looking like it wants to start curling to the downside. Yeah. Price is gonna I'm gonna get stopped out here. Unless out of nowhere it just wants to just shoot up, but I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. Oh, 21R doesn't want to give up yet. Doesn't want to give up yet. I might just bring this lower. The 21 is still holding, so that's why I haven't closed anything yet. I would love to see this form a candle that we see right here to be an up close, but it's not. You can see that we are pushing down. I do feel like it's going to come down to the downside, so I'm going to exit the My Fund Futures, I think. At break even, if I can. Price doesn't look like it wants to though. I might manually close it out. Okay, we are getting a push. I don't like how I see that right there though. I would like a bit more of a push. I'll turn to the 5 points. I manually close out.
Order filled.
I manually closed out my Fund Futures one, and I might just close everything out actually. I'm just gonna put a break even now. I just honestly not liking it. It's just moving a little too slow for me. Okay, we're close to that 5 points anyway, so.
Stop filled.
Stop filled, that's completely fine with me. Yeah, and look, we kind of just started reversing. Yeah, not much is going on right now. I think if I am going to be entering, it's got to be quick scalps. Oh, I kind of like this line. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to take a trade on my Fund Futures anymore. Good thing I didn't enter to the longs. I'm honestly trying to just get to break even for the day. That's pretty much just like one more trade that we need. I would definitely feel better about going short than going long for sure. I do see an opportunity forming on the 55 to the downside, but we need this 55 candle to close that's forming right now. I'm gonna put this in orange. Let's see what this 55 high is at. 55 high candle is right around here. So it's at 80.25, so it's gotta get down another 14 points. So at like 66.25. So around here. I'm liking the way the shorts are looking. $55's very close to closing. And it just closed. So let's see if we can get a retracement back into this orange zone. Yeah, today's a pretty boring day, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, at 8, so in like 8 minutes, I'm definitely gonna cut this live video, but I still might be around and trade for a little bit. I'm just looking for that retracement back into this orange zone to go for potential shorts. I would like to be aware of this area here. It's like a low volume node area. I do think we'll probably end up going towards the point of control, so around 36 area. I don't think this low volume node area is strong enough, to be honest. The 55 did close.
Order
I'm
submitted.
going for the short. Stop will be just above here. Oh, we might get stepped out. It's kind of what it's looking like. Yep. AC knew it was going to bounce a little bit right there. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out here.
Stop filled.
Yep. Okay, let's see. Maybe I should honestly just stop trading for the day. Yeah, I'm gonna stop the stream for today. There's not much kind of going on. So, just stick to your strat and you should be good. Peace.